Hello everyone, hope you all. Today in this video I will show you how to Pinterest tag setup, like Pinterest page view tag setup. So first of all, introduce myself. I'm a Pappu Mollik as a freelancer. I'm expert in Facebook ads, Google ads, and web analytics. So if you need any help, you can feel free contact me. As well as if you want to my previous video, you can check and watch this video. So go to your Google Tag Manager account. Then I preview the site and hopefully you can see page page visit, that means view item. So already view item tag is fair. So this already I tag setup is Pinterest tag and fill up in tag ID as well as HTML and select event and need a product ID that means go to the your data layer, then hopefully you can see product ID, that means item ID. So e-commerce, then this is the object, then items is array, then item ID, yeah, item ID is object. So I need this document. Okay, so e-commerce dot item dot I 0 dot item ID. So already I copy this ID, just copy a product ID and need a variable. That's why click plus icon, then built-in variable configure and data layer variable. This is select and this name is DLV pin product ID. Then need a product category. Same way you can see just e-commerce, then items, then item category name is names, right? So go to the year product, then item dot zero dot item category. Just copy this array, then built-in variable create and need a data layer variable, paste here and select your variable name like DLV pin interest, set product category, product CATEGORY category. Just save. Okay, that's it. Just need a trigger. So just trigger create. I already view item trigger is create. Just select this trigger, but if you want you can show no problem. So just trigger and edit and you can see view item trigger is customly. So that's it, that's enough for me. Then this tag name is Pinterest page view tag. Just save. Then if you preview again, hopefully you can see all data, no problem. So already Pinterest tag is paired and you can see Pinterest tag is paired, right? Initialized event is paired successful. Then need a page view is paired or not, right? So check, just click product and now I am page view this product individual. Then we can see Pinterest page view tag is third. As well as if you want you can see to tag, just click and page visit event sent successfully. If you want check another way and already you can see product ID and product category VRC. Then if you want another way to check, no problem, go to your Pinterest account, then go to the test event and just paste your URL, just paste and launch. Then hopefully you can see already initialize is fire. As well as if you want just action your view item, that means page view, Pinterest name is page view, then hopefully you can see two times of initializes fire. So hopefully you can see page view event is already fired. So okay, and today date is 25/3/2024. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you need any help, you can feel free contact WhatsApp, Facebook, and others. No problem. I will help you in another video. Till then, take care.